Hello guys, this is SGM Cooking Time. This is my homemade pizza. Look at this. It is filled with cherry tomatoes, onions, olives, with cheese on the toppings, and with sausages, and is sprinkled with paprika powder and garlic powder. And look at this. So this is how I prepare my pizza. A homemade pizza. Tipid tips. So no need to buy or order pizza from outside. We'll just make fresh homemade fresh baked pizza or grilled pizza. Very simple, but it is a healthy and delicious homemade pizza by SGM. So if you want to learn how to cook different foods, like how to cook different Filipino foods or European foods, just subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. And if you like this pizza, just give me a thumbs up and share this video and leave a comment in order to improve my pizza. Thank you for watching guys and supporting SGM. See you again next time in my next vlog or in my next video. Don't forget to watch my new uploaded videos about my new recipe, Cooking Time with SGM. Vielen Dank. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Mauni ang akong homemade pizza. Dali na mga unata kay gutom na. Okay, bon appetit. Ciao. Bye-bye.